You now know what index funds are, what the S&P 500 is, and why diversification protects your money. If you have not watched our episodes on them, check the description. Now the question is, how do you start? Today, I'm walking you through every step from zero account to your first investment. Before we get into the steps, here's what you'll need to have ready. Your national ID or passport, your KRA PIN. You can get this from the KRA website if you don't have one. Proof of your address, a utility bill or bank statement works, and your M-PESA or bank account to fund the investment. That's it. No stockbroker visits or complicated paperwork. It's all done from your phone. Step 1 is choosing where to invest. You have two directions. If you want to invest in global index funds like the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 biggest U.S. companies, you can use Ndovu. It's CMA, licensed, Kenya-based, and lets you invest in real ETFs from your phone with as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. If you prefer local options, platforms like Old Mutual Kenya and Standard Chartered Kenya offer unit trusts that track Kenyan equity and fixed income indices. You can also access these through your existing bank account in some cases. For beginners, Ndovu is the easiest starting point for global exposure. For something closer to home, Old Mutual or your bank's investment arm is a solid choice. Step 2 is creating your account. Download the app or go to the platform's website. Fill in your basic details, name, email, phone number. Then comes the KYC step. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a legal requirement. You'll upload a photo of your national ID or passport, your KRA PIN, and proof of address. Once submitted, verification usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Some platforms like Ndovu are faster. You'll get a confirmation by email or SMS when you're approved. Step 3, putting money in. Once your account is verified, you fund it. Most Kenyan platforms accept M-PESA directly. You just enter the amount, confirm on your phone, and the money reflects in your investment account within minutes. Some platforms also accept bank transfers. If you ever choose an international broker, you may need to use a wire transfer or a debit card that's a bit more involved but still manageable. For now, if you're starting on Ndovu, M-PESA is the simplest route. Step 4. Choosing and buying your fund. Once your account is funded, browse the available funds on your platform. You'll see options like these. The S&P 500 ETF tracks the 500 biggest U.S. companies. Examples are VOO from Vanguard or IVV from iShares. If the U.S. economy grows, your investment grows with it. A global or total market ETF gives you exposure to companies worldwide, not just the U.S. The Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, ticker VT, is a popular one. Local unit trusts are Kenya-domiciled funds that track fixed income or equity indexes. These are lower risk but also lower return compared to global ETFs. As a beginner, start simple. Pick one fund. Don't overthink it. Enter the amount you want to invest, confirm the transaction, and you're done. Your money is now diversified across hundreds of companies automatically. Quick recap. 1. Choose your platform Ndovu for global ETFs, Old Mutual, or your bank for local unit trusts. 2. Create your account and complete KYC verification. 3. Fund it via M-PESA or bank transfer. 4. Pick a fund and make your first investment as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. That's it. You've officially started investing. If this helped, don't forget to hit subscribe.